Papa, ukusu. Eyo ukusu. Nyama wa yo nyama. Kose. Nyama ni yo dia. Lord ni yo dia. Ni ebe ye ku ni. Papa, wait. Na Musa spiritually. Yeah, they are what to say and cranny. Yeah, the somebody be a committee in their doors. Somebody chances of more unity. Wait, also what who say what Timoy said about them. Again, I said over them. Wow, Sabbath. Well, something about that. I am what to say, cranny, young woman. Spiritual. Make us like the Musa one and kind of net here than we pack. As soon as catch up, they say, oh, no, God, Mary, I'm a damn. Mariama, your friend is it? Huh? Oh, Samuel. Yes. Michelle. Yes. Jesus. Oh, somebody. And what we are saying, grand your good. Yes. We did that two Moses here. Yes. Moses and shit. Yes. If you shout. Yes. Push it from. Yes. God. Oh, somebody.